Welcome to AP Workshops. Just a quick update with what's going on regards COVID round 2 and the lockdown that's about to start. We are open as normal, working to government guidelines. All we ask, if your bike's coming or you are visiting, mask. That is either going to help us and hide your face. Number 2, if we could just make sure when we enter the shop we put some lube, moisturiser, hand sanitiser, whatever you want to call it on, and just keep your distance, so there's definitely no hugging or kissing right now. Normal working hours, 8 till 6 o'clock, and if you want to ring us or email us or have a look at our YouTube channel, AP Workshops, it's all out there. Stay safe, see you soon, look after yourself, thank you.